Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got an exciting one, very long project we've had here. If you've been following along on my YouTube channel, this is an in-house restoration just completed. We've got 150 miles on this one, break-in miles and shakedown miles. It's a 72 Chevy K5 Blazer CST, beautiful truck. This one does have the 6-liter LS2 motor. It is a LQ4 iron block, so it's the better block that you want. Heavy duty 4L60E transmission has all been rebuilt along with the transfer case. 2-year warranty on that. We just did that about a month ago, and so that is all done. All heavy duty parts, heavy duty torque converter, everything. So ready to go. This thing runs awesome. It's fast, smooth at idle, vintage AC. Awesome sound system like you've seen in the previous Blazers. Very nice paint job. Everything's well done. Dynamat all inside. We went back with the original black scroll CST interior. So not resto mod. Left it pretty stock looking inside and out. Those the exhaust pipes dump underneath the truck there behind the rear axle. We kind of went back and forth on where to put those. And like where they ended up, it sounds amazing when you're hitting on it. See it right there. I've got undercarriage picks in the gallery, lots of them. Really nice, clean underbelly on this thing. Peek inside. Look at those door panels, awesome. These seats are all perfectly done. New seat belts, of course, throughout. Rear seat done. Of course, we've got the Infinity speakers, 4 of them in here, and the subwoofer in the back. The top has been redone. All new glass, all new rubber, vent windows, mirrors, visors, the gauges. Everything in here is new. Give it a couple little revs here. Sounds awesome. Bluetooth, radio. Of course, this other transfer case is all good and working. All right. Got pictures of the engine bay in the gallery as well. Go to the website for pictures. A lot of those internet sites, they only let you have like 30 maybe. I've got a lot more on my website. All new headlights, bumpers, grill, Warren hub, suspension. It's a 4-inch lift kit, 35-inch tires. We refurbished these wheels, 15-inch wheels, fender liners, everything is new and nice. We used Eastwood chassis paint on the chassis, so you never have to worry about corrosion. This thing will do 80 miles an hour down the highway, running at about 2,000 RPMs, which is very low. No problem merging with traffic. You jump in and go, and this thing takes off. It sounds awesome. How's that little detail right there? We've done a bunch of these. Go through, look at our YouTube channel, subscribe as well. Check out our Instagram, Rogers_Motor Cars. Post a lot there too, mostly the stories, but have a look. This is really nice. The paint is medium red. It looks more orange in person, which is how they were then as well. It's a factory paint code, medium red. Really pops. Very, very nice two-tone. Love this truck. We can ship this to you anywhere. I believe it will fit in enclosed. I've done a couple of these 4-inch lift kits, and they fit in the enclosed trailer, so we can do that right to your driveway. We can do long distance deals over text message, email, call me, FaceTime me, whatever you want to do. All the suspension tie rods, the hubs, brakes, disc brakes, of course, power, booster, all of it new. AC components new. 134A Freon. Give me a call, text. I really hope to hear from you. We tend to list these on the market before or while we're prepping them to go to the bigger auctions. So this is your chance. The last couple that I've sold actually sold for more than what I was asking for online. So consider it a discount. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching this one, a little bit long. Have a great day.